Hop on the bus, it's Hajj time now. Going to Mecca, let's learn how. With happy hearts and do hearts so true. A journey Allah calls us to. White clothes on, we're all the same. Simple Iram, no pride or fame. Rich or poor, both old and young. One noble aim on every tongue. Allahu Akbar, voices rise. Praise fills earth and reaches skies. The adhan calls, so calm, so sweet. We line up softly, shoulder to feet.
Facing Kaaba, black and grand, built by Prophet Ibrahim's hand. Round and round we walk as one. Tawaf begins, our hearts are done.
1, 2, 3 with steps so slow. Remembering Allah as we go. Peace and patience side by side. No pushing here, just love and guide. Sa'i, we walk from Safa to Marwa, like Hajaran with hope in Allah. Trusting Him through every test, knowing His plan is always best. Drink Zamzam, cool and pure, a blessed gift that will endure. From Allah's mercy, deep and wide, healing hearts from inside. On Arafah we stand and pray, asking Allah to forgive that day. Hands held high, tears may fall. Allah listens, He hears us all.
Stones are thrown at Shaitan's lies, saying no to wrong, be wise. We choose good, we choose what's right, following Islam with inner light.
Eid arrives with joy and cheer. Eid Mubarak, far and near. Sharing food and smiling faces, grateful hearts in holy places.
Hajj teaches love and unity, patience, faith, humility. A world made one through prayer and peace. In Allah's path our souls find ease.
Faith and hope for you and me, living Islam beautifully. When we return our hearts are new, better Muslims in all we do.